Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. Well, with surgical facilities available at most of the pet clinics these days, you can definitely consider getting your pet spayed or neutered. But what exactly is spaying or neutering or sterilization, and what are the advantages, potential disadvantages, the associated risk, pre-operative analysis and post-operative care? All of these will be discussed in this video, so keep watching. Sterilization in animals is a surgical procedure that involves removal of a part of their reproductive organ and rendering them incapable of reproduction. In males, it is known as neutering, and in females, it is known as spaying. Castration is removal of testes in male dogs. There are many health and behavioral benefits of getting your dog neutered. Neutering can reduce considerably your dog's aggression and also mounting on people, other dogs or inanimate objects. However, if your dog is also getting aggressive due to some other causes, well, that should also be addressed by a veterinarian. The health benefits include decreasing the risk of prostate disease and perineal hernia, and also eliminating the risk of testicular cancer. Spaying, also known as ovariohysterectomy, it's a surgical procedure which involves removal of the ovaries and the uterus. What are the advantages of spaying? Reduces the risk of mammary gland tumors, reduces the risk of uterine infections, elimination of risk of uterine cancer, and treatment of false pregnancy known as pseudo-pregnancy. Now that you know the advantages, let us know about the disadvantages of getting your pet sterilized as well. It is known that after sterilization, the dogs who are operated may develop some problems like weight gain or obesity, because it is known to believe that the operation will cause decrease in the metabolism of the dogs. Also, spaying can cause urinary incontinence in middle-aged or older female dogs. Now, what are the risks associated with surgery? Well, spaying and neutering are major surgeries and they are done under general anesthesia. And with any general anesthetic, the risks are usually involved, which is including death. Well, it was not to scare you, but just to inform you, because with modern techniques and modern anesthetics, the risk of surgery is generally low. Before proceeding with the surgery and determining whether your pet is fit for the surgery or not, the veterinarian may get a few blood tests done and take general history from you of your pet. After your pet's surgery is completed, your pet's activity should be limited for a few days, and also you need to make sure they do not lick or bite at the site of incision, and for that you may even need to place an Elizabethan collar around their neck. So that's it for this video. I hope that now you know what are the advantages and disadvantages of getting your pet sterilized. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family who may be needing this information. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to Vet Visit, then yes, please do. While subscribing, do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes up. Also, do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.